YouTube, it's your girl Brandy Gibbs, and I'm back on your screen. Today I wanted to share with you all something that I've been meaning to talk to you guys about, and I wanted to share with you all a product that TEAMIBLENDS sent to me. Let me show y'all really quick. I had to clean out my tumbler. This is the tumbler that they sent me. It's a TEAMIBLENDS tumbler. This is how it fits. It fits inside, and it comes with like a strainer, so that when you place the tea inside, you know, you won't be drinking leaves. And this is the top. You just screw the top on, and I like it because it's like on the go. The reason why, now they reached out to me, and the reason why I decided to work with them is because, remember when I was telling you guys, I'm like sluggish, I'm tired. When I get off of work, I'm tired. I would come home and I would just like lay in the bed and try to like take naps and whatnot. And I'm like, I am young. Why am I feeling like this? So I tried to take, was it, not biotin, was it biotin? B12. Yeah, I tried to take B12 a couple of months prior, and it wasn't working out for me. And I'm like, I don't have enough energy. So when they reached out to me, they had like different kinds of tea, like detox tea, they had energy tea, stress relieving tea. They also had if you have problems with you know, eliminating your waste, they have that kind of tea. So when I seen that they had a tea for energy, I was like on it, and I was like, let me try this out. So like I said, they reached out to me. They sent me the tumbler, and they also sent me the the tea itself. Now what it says that it does, the first thing that you need to do, and this is the packet that they send, as you can see right here, it's for energy. And what you need to do is place 1 teaspoon into this cup of near boiling water between 3 to 5 minutes. And like I said, this strainer right here, use a strainer or a tea infuser for a clear tea. So you can actually use this strainer right here, and I just close it up. It's spill proof. You have the lid where you can just flick it on and it just clips back. You hear that? Yeah. And I just, you know, I'm drinking my tea while I'm at work. You have your little wristlet you can put on your arm if you're doing like a run or a walk or what have you. Okay, let's talk about the tea really quick. Now this tea, the ingredients is oolong tea, yerba mat, goji berries, rosea, lemongrass, peppermint leaf, and ginseng. Now the ginseng contains plant-based caffeine. So if you're like pregnant, or if you're prescription medication, you might want to consult your physician before you try this product. But let me tell you guys, so the first day I took it, I'm like, this tea is probably going to be nasty. But guess what, y'all? It wasn't at all. It has a great taste. It doesn't have like a aftertaste. You know how some teas you try, it gives your tongue this like nasty aftertaste? This doesn't. It tastes really good. Now for me, I can't drink the tea straight. I need to add like 1 tablespoon of sugar, or you can just put a little honey in it just to sweeten it up a little bit, or whatever is your liking. And I like it because it has a great taste. Now, did it actually do the job? I took it the first day. I didn't see any changes or anything. I was kind of like geeked up because I was trying out the tea. But like the second and third day, I started seeing like more, you know, increased energy. And I noticed I was kind of eating a little bit more. Yeah, I was eating a little bit more. But overall, I believe that the tea works. Now I don't need to try out like the detox tea or anything like that, because I'm kind of regular in that area. That's one of the reasons why I didn't try that. And I want to just give you a heads up that benefits vary by person to person, okay? So the question that you might want to know is, how do I use this tea, Brandy? Like I said, you open your canister, make sure you clean it real good, and or your mug. You might not want one of these Teami Blend canisters, but it is a recommended, you know, you might have your own, but this is cool to carry. Okay, so what you do is you add 1 teaspoon of this product into your canister, and I suggest that you add hot water, any flavor that you decide that you want to use, but you got to allow it to cool off after you pour it. 3 to 5 minutes, you know, is best. You can always add like honey, nectar, you can always add sugar, whatever natural sweeteners you prefer. Now, I like drinking this tea in the morning time because it gives me like a natural energy throughout the day, and it just gives me like a steady, you know, where I'm able to just perform better, in my opinion. I'm not going to say that you need to stop drinking coffee, but this will be a replacement of, you know, drinking coffee in the morning time. You might want to try this out and see how it works. And like I said, I really enjoyed the taste of the tea. It doesn't like have a nasty bitter aftertaste. It is really good, no lie. It's good because some teas I just can't drink. I don't like Lipton tea for some reason. I don't like Lipton tea, but that's a horse of another color. I'm talking about the Teami Blends. The Teami Blends is really good, and I thank them for reaching out to me, and I look forward to working with them in the future. Now, let's talk about coupon codes. My coupon code, I will list the coupon code right here, and I will also place it in the description section of my channel. Not only do they offer tea, but they also offer skincare. They have like skincare mask, which is a detox mask. Let me try to show you guys. There it is right there. They have their detox mask, and it's a green tea detox mask. I heard it was good. I haven't tried it out. They also have the Vita C. This is the infused serum as well. They have the Vita C. They have like a facial oil. They have the repair facial oil. They have the glow facial. They have so many skincare products as well. So they just don't stop at tea. They have skincare as well. And if you don't like tea and you're into like this veggie smoothie type of thing, they have it where you can drink your veggies in one scoop. You know, try that out. So going over to their website, they are offering a Independence Day sale, which is 15% off. You have 20% off, or you can use my coupon code, and I'll list it right here to save you some extra bucks. So y'all might want to try it out. Let me know how y'all feel about the Teami tea. That's all I'm going to say, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Until then, you guys have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.